We're going to drag race these two forklifts. However, in this video, that one isn't running, and I paid for it less than a pair of shoes. Me and Paul are going to fix it, and when you watch to the end of this video, you're going to see these two race. Is it going to be the Chinese with a Cummins? Is it going to be Britain, Perkins, Lansing Bagnall? Watch to the end of the video and make sure you like and subscribe. I bought this forklift and was told that it doesn't run, and the guy said to me that it runs for a short while and then it cuts out. Let's find out what's under the hood. Ooh. Now this is the mighty Perkins 4203. 3.3 litres of naturally aspirated diesel engine built proudly in the UK. But first, before we do get cracking, I'm going to just check the basics. Has it got any fuel in it?
Don't know.
No, we'll do that first. Let's see if the fuel gauge works. It does actually have a fuel gauge. Yeah. It says it's full. Do we believe it?
No.
Now, I've got here. Here's a dipstick.
Ah.
Use that. Oh, it is quite wet on the end. What does it smell like?
It smells like diesel.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, wicked. So I gave less than a pair of shoes and I've got a full tank of fuel. Well, I might have a full tank of fuel or maybe
water.
90% water. And we'll worry about that. We'll worry about that later. I better check the oil. Yeah, I'll do that again. I'm sure that was just the dipstick playing up. Probably start by putting some oil in it.
Yummy.
How much shall I put in it, do you think? All of it. This is 5W40 fully synthetic. No. Still no. Still nothing on the dipstick. Put a bit more in. Right, more oil. So we put 4 in the first time, and this is another 3. This is where if we actually did a bit of research, we'd find out the Perkins 4203 holds 5 litres or something.
Yeah.
Not anymore. This one's a high capacity version now. Ready for the big reveal. Oh! It turns out it did need 7 litres of oil. Did it need some water?
It does need a bit of water, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you can see there is water down there.
Is there anything?
There is water.
Is it red?
Oh,
Oh, she's like
down there.
new. You could put a bit in just to make yourself feel better.
Yeah.
Check the levels. Always check the levels. It's what professionals like us do. Definitely do not try and use brake cleaner to start this thing to get it off the truck before you've checked the levels. You wouldn't do that, would you?
No.
Shall we try and start it? Paul can do the honours. I'm going to put a battery charger on while he tries, so here's a battery charger. What was that? What the hell was that noise? It just like stopped dead.
Yeah.
Try again. We've established that it won't start. First, I think what we should do is have a quick ascertain of the system. So it looks like we've got some sort of mechanical lift pump system here that's going to be picking up fuel from the tank. So why don't we methodically work our way around? I don't know why I'm telling you, you already know this. We're going to work out, methodically, we'll work all our way around, starting with this and making sure that diesel, when we're cranking it, comes out of each little section and it goes to the injector pump. That sound good? Hurrah, spanner delivery. What size would you like, sir?
Well, first one, I think it's going to be like a 13 or 14.
Excellent choice there.
Yeah.
There's all three.
I think this might be
Not
imperial.
metric.
Yeah. I'll try the other side. Yes. Oh, I'll do it there. There we go.
Is it working?
It's coming out.
This is a lever, so you can mechanically prime these engines. You just basically squeeze this up and fuel should come out of that end. Doesn't look like that's happening.
No, I'll take it fully out and then...
I'll give it a squirt with the primer. You watch that end.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, she's... It's
Yeah.
not powerful, but it is doing something, isn't it? Shall I try and crank it with a key? So
Yeah.
people get that full experience.
Make sure it's... Yeah.
I don't know what that squeak is. That'll be it just taking up that oil and
Yeah, it's just...
freeing all bearings off of
Yeah.
it. So we've established that there is fuel from the lift pump to the first filter housing. What type of filter does that have on the bottom of it? Is it a screw-on type?
I think it's one that's like bolted in at the bottom. Oh, it must just screw off, yeah.
We've checked that there's fuel coming to the fuel filter, and next we want to make sure that there's fuel coming out. So you can see this is a pretty simple system. I believe this is this the feed?
That's out of the...
Yeah, this is the feed. Feed coming in to the rotary pump head here. So we're going to make sure that there's fuel coming out of the filter housing to here, just to make sure someone hasn't got them two mixed up or anything silly like that.
Crack this blade nipple off on the top of here and see if any diesel come out.
That's a convenient little
Yeah.
nipple, isn't it? Right, so I'll try the manual pump first. Do you see that?
Yeah.
It's black. That is really dirty. I think that diesel's a bit special.
Yeah.
I'll crank it with the key to give people that full viewer experience. Watch out. It's quite odd that, isn't it? It kind of like
Yeah.
comes out after. Put the bung back in then, we'll say that
Yeah.
that's perfect.
Yeah.
That's nice that, isn't it? I love the old British stuff. It's like really user friendly.
Yeah.
Let's crack the injectors, the fuel injectors.
Oh, there's a bit. Oh.
That diesel's not very clean, is it?
No.
Ooh,
There's a bit bad.
there was air in that. How long has this been parked up for? Probably 6 months. Well, that's a kind of a good and a bad sign. It means the injection system is fine. If the injection system on a diesel engine's fine, it means that the engine's probably not. I'll tighten these back up as if we never saw that. So we've confirmed that the fuel inside of the system seems to be working. Now, assuming that that fuel injection system is timed correctly to the engine, then there is absolutely no reason for me to believe that this wouldn't at least start. Yes, the injectors could be a bit iffy and a bit leaky, but it'd still run. That's the beauty of these old mechanical diesels. As you'll have noticed by Paul's face a little bit earlier on, means that there's probably something wrong with the engine. But before we get too carried away, we might have just been lucky there and we might have got an air bubble out,
Yeah.
and it might be just
We'll
willing
just
to
try
run
it.
now. So we'll give it a try. I think it might be in gear. Just watch your feet. That can't be the end of the video.
No.
I'm quite confused at this point. this may be good and bad.
Yeah.
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 So I bought this forklift and was told that it doesn't run. And the guy said to me that it runs for a short while and then it cuts out. I've got a horrible feeling that seeing as we've just had to put 7 litres of oil in it, that may have been why it was cutting out. Yeah. A test drive, potentially.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if it doesn't cut out on the test drive, it's fixed.
Fixed, yeah.
And it literally was a 7 litres of oil fix. That really just shows the basics. There'll be people at home screaming, saying, it isn't really fixed.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know. But it might last just a bit. Right, let's see if she starts. Oh. It's like climbing up into the king's throne, this. You know what I can feel coming on? A forklift race. Oh, yes. Check your oil, ladies and gentlemen. Good Lord. Release the chocks. Oh, she's a pearl. It's literally mint. Like, maybe it's not mint. Hang on, try and start it up again.
That's...
Yeah, that squeal.
Yeah.
I
think if you ignore the squeal, it could just be fuel.
It could. Should we crack the injectors again?
Yeah.
Roadside repair this time.
Oh.
Oh, air.
There.
Air in the system. Right, I'll give it a little cranky poos. I mean, it smells like oil.
Yeah, there's air coming out.
Is there?
Yeah. There's a bit of diesel there, but it is...
That's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah. So, something between lift pump and tank. If it was after that point, it'd be leaking.
Crack them back up. Let's see if we can...
Make it go.
Push down. Is it dying off on its own? Or did you let it off? Oh,
yeah.
I got excited. I thought you had the foot down and it was dying, but it wasn't. Feels pretty regal up there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
you can't buy that kind of thing these days.
Jesus.
What you are listening to, ladies and gentlemen, is 3.3 litres of Perkins diesel. I hope it didn't drive too far away, because if it does break down, when it breaks down... Yes, it's still rolling.
It is dying.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
5 tonne, it doesn't push very easily.
Yeah.
So what have we learned?
Fuel.
The good news is, it wasn't seizing up.
Yes.
But the bad news is it's somehow getting air into its fuel.
Yeah.
So do we think that there is air coming from the lift pump and it's getting air, so the air pump, the lift pump is sucking air, or do we think that there's a fuel pump issue? It's got to be lift pump sucking air, surely. You're going to struggle
We could find out quite easily. We'd put a little fuel tank.
Yes. Or just put the entire lift pump in a jelly so it can't suck any air from around it.
Yeah. Silicon.
Yeah, oh, silicon. Or maybe the lift pump's somehow sucking air from inside the engine block and that's where all the engine oil went.
Yeah.
Didn't think of that, did you?
Mm.
Shall we just like
We'll just
get it running to get it back over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Send it quick before it dies. How odd that you can just bleed it up and it runs again.
You want it back there or?
Yeah, I think so. That was pretty good. Use the brakes. Yeah.
There we go.
And then
We're back.
the park brake.
Yeah.
Fingers. That was pretty good. I mean, it's right where we need it.
Yeah.
I've undone that. That sort of flips out the way. It's like a quick release thing. Ah, drink, sir. I do think someone's been putting waste oil or something in it, and it's like bits of engine from other old engines or something. This lift pump could be iffy, but Paul's made a sensible suggestion by saying maybe the pipe that goes to the tank, if we put that into some clean diesel, then that might be good. Because if somebody has been putting waste oil or something in the diesel, this could potentially be all blocked inside. So I think that's a good shout.
Yeah. We're going to try and get the fuel pipe off the top of the tank. Yeah, these olives are spinning on the pipe.
Yes. Not ideal.
Yeah, that is what was going on with ours.
Ah, with the other Cummins.
Yes.
Cummins.
Perkins.
Sorry,
Thingy.
sacrilege. Perkins. Queen and Country and all that kind of thing. This is all we've got left in England, this now.
Yeah. Not entirely sure what's gone off with that.
Yeah. What on
Something
earth?
special has happened there.
I think that if we fix that, we might be closer to fixing the problem.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Do we have any of them?
No, but I was just thinking, if you do think that is the issue, you could... Oh no, you can't. One's male and one's female.
Yeah.
Can we cut it down and... Oh, the olives are probably already pinched, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'm trying to think if I do have anything like that. Well, I found some stuff.
Ah.
So those two olives look like they might fit on the pipe. There's two olives inside there. I can see one's bigger, but
Yeah.
this was just all rubbish I found in that little...
Yeah.
Do you know everybody has got that box of pipe bits at
Yeah.
home? And if you don't, then this is why you need it. For when you buy a forklift that's worth less than shoes.
Yeah.
That end looks alright. But that end is the one that I think, well...
Yeah, it's a bit.
Yeah. So should we chop that off?
Yeah.
So hopefully we just cut that off there. And then we put a new one of those on there. What's the chances that they'll fit? I couldn't try them on the pipe while I was up there because I didn't have anything to cut the pipe with. So should we screw that in first, put it in a pot of diesel and see if the engine
fire it
runs? Yeah. That'll tell us if we're on the right track.
Oh yeah.
It's a dangerous mission. Do you want to hold it and I'll...
Yeah, I'll hold it and then.
Is it in neutral? Everybody watch the feet.
Yeah, and just jump back.
This one. Ready?
Yeah.
It's definitely coming out. Is it sucking well on there? I love that squeal. Is it a bearing? Maybe. So it's sucked that diesel out of that cup pretty quick, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And it hasn't stalled.
No.
We have a generator with a Perkins engine in, and it did the same. Paul had to do the same repair. Did you know that for an M6 nut you're supposed to use a 3/4 ratchet? I've been
Well,
using
it's
like
pretty-
really small little electric guns for years.
I
And
suppose when you think about it, it does make sense, doesn't it?
3/4, yeah.
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 You need a
3/4.
like proper bar on
Yeah.
it. I'm thinking that and that.
Yeah. If
I don't know why I don't just bring a hammer. Like every time I go to the workshop and come back again, I just don't bring a hammer.
I hold it on there.
Just a gentle.
That bit of a nip. Yeah. That'll do.
Do it. You're revving something up there that was made in 1962. That's mega, that, isn't it? Oh no, it's revving itself up on its own.
You were a bit worried?
You know when it revs itself up like that, that's going to be the end very soon.
I mean, it won't be hard to stall it. I'll just.
What is it doing? Nobody's touching the accelerator pedal.
Oh, that's what we're doing.
Ah.
End of life.
What's going on there? Fitting the fuel line in the proper way made it stop again, as you've just seen. So we're going back onto the the
Might be permanent.
the semi-permanent test method.
Just
I don't think she's going anywhere.
yeah. We'll leave it running for a little bit.
That's
something like
mega.
that.
Right, let's put the pipe in the hole. That's not helpful. That's
It's
interesting.
really not.
A lot of water there just came down when you pulled on that. That was a good bit of extra for the camera, wasn't it? Let's try it. Let off the pedal. Test drive time. It should use some of that diesel. Oh no, it's revving itself up again. Yeah, there's a lot of air getting in there. Didn't do this before.
No.
What is it doing? So before it ran fine on the little can, and now it isn't running fine on the little can. What's that all about? Was it because when we did it before, that was up here?
I did move it down low though, didn't I? Towards the end of it.
Did you see how much dirty, oily stuff was coming out of the injectors?
Mm.
I think there's something odd going on with that.
Yeah.
I think we are pissing in wind without stripping that down, but it
Yeah.
looks like it's new.
Yeah.
Where's the nut gone?
I slid it up towards the lift pump. that is undoing or rounding or what.
You'll have some warriors on your case with that.
Oh God.
You should have used a hand tool on it.
Oh God. We've just gone.
Gone mad on the old
PTF.
repair tape.
Yeah.
PTFE tape.
Yeah.
Bad, aren't they?
Yeah.
Take the lift pump off with this. They'll all be like, you should have used a hand tool. Literally the only people that say you shouldn't use these and you should use hand tools are people that have never used these and don't work on the tools every day.
Yeah.
There were like a lot of technicians that had clearly commented saying, what else is he supposed to use? You know?
Yeah.
People don't understand that like actual pressure, axial rotation is
Yeah.
so much better than using a ratchet and bending the fitting. But you can't educate Pork.
No. Six
They
things.
didn't have 11s in 1962, lad. Decimalisation didn't happen until the 70s.
Oh,
Oh
gosh.
God, Jesus.
Oh, she's
Oh, she's a.
enthusiastic, wasn't she?
What the Jefferson?
Yeah.
Uh,
At least it's rust guard in the engine.
yeah.
Put it in. Put it on there. Oh wow! Look at
There
it.
we go.
That is a diaphragm pump, and it is actuated by the camshaft in the engine. There's a lot of oil in there. That's almost like telling us a story.
It's like tar.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
What has someone been chucking in the fuel tank?
Oh,
Oh yeah.
that's a filter.
Oh. Oh. Ah. I think that if we strip this and give it all a good clean,
Yeah.
that
We might be on to.
might be onto a winner there, yeah. A powerful electric gun, yeah?
Yeah.
Only do it because they don't like it.
Yeah. We'll just do it for everything.
The funny thing is that if you had a stuck fitting, that is probably what you'd do,
Yeah.
but the internet knows better. Just try and actuate that with
Yeah,
your hand.
you can just go one way. It's that way.
Just got a very strong spring.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does seem smooth enough, doesn't it? It's not
Yeah.
seized. So we've got this diaphragm and actuator that moves up and down. And then if you look here, we have two valves. One is a one-way valve for allowing the fuel to come into this area, and one's a one-way valve to allow it to pump out to go to the injector pump itself. I mean, yeah, that does not look good at all, does it? Like you've pointed
No.
out. That looks like waste oil, doesn't it, or something?
Yeah.
I mean, it's done a good job. It's not in all the other
No.
components, isn't it?
No.
And there's the other fuel filter as well. I wonder
Yeah.
what the state of that's like.
Probably worth pulling it off. And...
Someone has literally poured a load of dirt into the tank, haven't they?
Yeah.
We could do with draining the tank out. Starting again fresh. Look at that.
Yeah.
This is what we're fighting. There's nothing wrong with this diesel engine, is there?
No.
It's just
It's
literally
fuel.
dirt in the... Why do it? You know, you see it.
Mm.
I run my car on waste oil. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well done. Does seem to be.
Coming off the back like a carpet.
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
My finger's frozen off, but that's a bit of a difference, isn't it? I think that'll help, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah, I think fuel will be able to.
What about this? Should we give this a go? I'm trying not to. Don't do this. Hang on, I've just thought of something. So we've cleaned this because this was totally blocked.
Yes.
We can clean those little valves a little bit. I'm sure they're going to be fine.
Yeah.
But what I'm thinking is, we were running this off a cup of diesel. So
Yeah.
was it that was, and maybe potentially the other fuel filter?
Yeah.
So blocked that.
Yeah, well, the thing if you can't, because that's like pre-lift pump.
Yes.
Obviously, you can't get diesel into it. It will suck something from somewhere.
Yeah. Or the one-way valve just won't do anything,
Yeah.
and it'll just push back and forth and back and forth.
Yeah.
Which is actually what we saw at first when you first
Yeah,
put it in.
it wouldn't
It
take
wouldn't
it.
do anything, and then
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. So I think we've put it all back together with the electric gun on full power
Yes.
to round all the. Well, I want you to either round them off or snap them off,
Yeah. I'll do
or strip the threads.
I'll do all three.
Yeah, we've got 6 to go out. You can do one of each. So like the workbench.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, just enjoying the British summertime, fixing some British engineering from the 1960s. Does it really get any better than that? There's kids at home that are just playing with computers. Here we are.
This is what you need to do, is buy your kid a broken forklift.
We could give them one.
Yeah. Oh.
Yes. Parents won't even see it coming.
Yeah.
They'll just be like, Daddy, Daddy, I've won this on the internet. Oh, what is it? Forklift. It doesn't run. It's coming out the other end. Oh, she's clear. She's all clear. She's back in. Oh, she's like brand new.
Oh, good.
Give that a bit of a wipe.
Yeah, that does need a bit of a... I don't think we're going to break clean it, but...
Do you want to give it the maintenance
Yeah.
and then it won't dry it out?
Yeah.
That is thick and black.
Oh, there we go.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That's horrible.
Pump's loving that.
I bet it is. We're better off just spinning it out with, isn't it? I was just interested to pour.
Yeah.
Should we just pour it through a filter anyway, just
Yeah,
for the
yeah.
YouTubes? Just so people can see. Try and just gently pour it in there.
Try. Oh.
Into the fuel tank.
Look at the bottom of
Yeah. So will this pull any more or not?
that. Yeah, it probably will do. Let's do that.
As Paul is sorting out the diesel, I'm just going to get this lift pump back on. That's not very nice, look what someone's done there. They've used like some sort of sealant and PTFE tape and all sorts of rubbish around that fitting, which is really not good. I suppose they'll have probably done it to stop it leaking, but the problem is if you use PTFE tape on a fuel system, especially if it's the wrong side of the filter, you end up damaging things or basically blocking injectors, injector pumps and stuff like that. So I wouldn't advise that. So we don't have a new gasket, but thankfully this gasket's not torn. You at home should use a new gasket. We started this job with no parts and we're going to finish the job with no parts. He says confidently until he can't finish the job. That bowl's all nicely together, that screws in there. So we want to pop that lever back in there. Little squirt in there first. Make sure she's clean. Clear out the nozzle. Oh, she's clean.
Good.
Ready to give it a fresh tank of juice. Will the fuel gauge be working? Let's find out. Turn the ignition on. Oh, there it goes. It's going up now. Not messing about. How much have you put in?
About 10 litres.
I'm guessing it's not a massive tank. Fuel gauge works though, which is
Yeah,
pretty good
that's-
for like a 1960s machine.
Yeah.
Clean tank of fuel is in. Straighter's cleaned out. Lift pump's all cleaned out. But Paul has something to tell us about that fitting that I pulled a load of PTFE tape off.
Yeah, so them steel lines on these are supposed to have a little O-ring, a little rubber seal around there.
This is literally a universal O-ring box.
Well then.
Look at that. So now Paul's going to try and find an O-ring that fits on there.
Yeah.
You have a look in there.
Fits on it, might be a bit thick for it, but we'll see if it goes.
I think anything will be better than it not having anything before
Yeah.
and a billion reams of PTFE tape.
Yeah.
Is it bad that I still really want to do a top end set on it? Set the valves up. Should we do
It's-
that at a later day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's only 3 bolts, but we'll get it running and...
Do you know what else I'm going to treat it to? I'm going to tighten the battery terminal. I know. I'm going out, all out.
Hopefully that should fill up with
Fuel.
some kind of
It's squirting like mad out of here. Oh, it just seems the same now. A minute ago, it really looked like it were going for it. Oh, there's air. Lots of air.
Yeah. It's literally just started filling glass up with diesel.
Oh, okay. We'll just keep it going until the clean stuff comes out. Look at that. Impactor on the fuel filter. What an absolute animal. Who does that? Do you know what's really funny? Barely anybody is actually doing anything with their hands. Oh, with the hands these days. However, everybody has an opinion
Yeah,
on
everybody's an
the few
expert.
people that are.
Yep.
Thanks guys.
Yeah.
Right, let's empty this bad stuff out. See how dirty it is. It's very warm. Oh,
God,
oh no.
Is there holes in it?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh God, someone's poked all holes in it with a screwdriver, look. Oh no. The bad lads. That
That's
fuel
how
pump's gonna be. Have you seen that? Like, take a close up of that. Someone's literally punched holes through it with a screwdriver.
I suppose that's how you unblock it, isn't it?
What an absolute animal has done that. Yeah, smashed all inside it filtering. Ah!
We're definitely not going to have one of them either, are we?
No.
Is it the same as...
The Ford? Maybe. I think I know where there might be one.
Yeah.
It's like past parts shop o'clock. So we're going to have to go robbing parts. And I'm pretty sure I know where there is one. So, Cav, injection systems and diesel systems were like on old British stuff. Well, I happen to have loads of old British stuff. And I've got a feeling this old Ford Dorset, just feeling its bumps there, I think we're in with a winner. What have we got? Let's have a look in here. Is it going to be right? Let's have a look. What do you reckon at first glance?
It looks the same.
You like that, don't you? Look at that. Oh, yes. And it even says Cav on the top. That is exactly what we need. Pass me the electric filter removing tool. You're supposed to do that with a hand tool, lad. Don't care. Does it fit? Of course it does. This is a good day. Like,
It's
to be able to
fine.
find some like old stuff.
Fucking random stuff.
Wicked.
Talk to spec. There we go.
I am genuinely buzzing because that sort of stuff, it usually just stops you dead.
Yeah, that's it. We wait until tomorrow morning.
I'll try the lift pump. Oh, like, look how
There
much
we
it's
go.
spraying out now compared to before. So what have we used so far in parts? We've used
A filter.
brake cleaner to clean out the strainer,
Yeah.
new diesel in it,
Yep.
new filter off an old engine because it's
Yeah.
6 o'clock at night and everywhere's closed.
Yes.
And well, I suppose the only thing we've got left to do,
Start it.
yeah, start it and road test again. Before we try and do the final start, Paul has managed to find in our piles of junk an old K&N air filter, which is going to be considerably better than that. Which is awful. I don't think that was filtering anything really, was it? No.
Get it? Yeah.
It can't not start now. That is so shiny, it can't not start. It's just trying to start on the one. It sounds better.
Yeah, you didn't even need the throttle.
getting towards the end of the day and there's people lingering about. Like. This character, if you ever see this character in the video, it means there's dodgy stuff going on. Just knocking some black reek out. Right, go on, test drive it now before it breaks again. Jesus Christ, man. He's got absolutely no compassion for the forklift. He's going to go well far away and it'll break down. Where's he going?
I don't know. He's probably going home.
Yeah, it'd be bad if he rolls it over.
Yeah.
Go on, go around there a bit. Is it fixed?
I'd say that was a fix.
Is it fixed?
The steering feels a little bit junky, by that I mean it feels like it's going to tip over when you corner.
Yeah, because one of the tyres is pneumatic and this one's solid. So it like goes like that.
Yeah.
Now we're doing its Lola certificate.
Yeah.
This is the Lola certificate. If it can lift this steel and carry it all the way across the yard, then it's definitely fine. Well, it hasn't stalled in ages.
Yeah, it looks good.
I think it passes.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think the actual Lola certificate as well is you've got to let it sit at a height for a while and see if it drops.
Yeah.
So we'll do that overnight and make sure that it's fine.
Yeah.
What did you think?
I think it's fixed.
It passes, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You're going to see a forklift drag race like never before. China did win. It was China versus England. China won. It was unfair though because this has just come out of a big operation with blocked arteries and it is 1962, whereas this one over here is 2006, so I don't think that's fair. I think if there was a diesel specialist that specialised in modifying old-fashioned diesels, they might be able to make this a lot faster than that. Just saying. See you on the next one.